Earlier we worked with a sheet called HR data, and what we did in these greeny olivey cells is we used the countifs, the average-ifs, and the sum-ifs functions to summarize what was going on with this data. Let's say I then want to present these results in terms of graphs, and I want these graphs to fit on one sheet, much like a dashboard. I just want to give you some ideas. I'm going to basically click on HR data, and then I'm going to click on this plus to the right to insert a new sheet. So that inserts a new sheet to the right of HR data, and I'm going to rename this sheet dashboard. And in A1 I'll put HR profile. I'll then zoom in a little bit. And make it a bit larger. So the first thing I want to do is create a graph from HR data about the gender of this company. I'm going to select L2 to L4, hold the control key and select N2 to N4. So L2 to L4, hold the control key, N2 to N4, and then I'll press F11. That immediately gives me a graph which compares females to males. Now I want to go up into my ribbon and choose the Move Chart button. I want to move this chart and make it an object inside of the sheet called Dashboard. As soon as I click OK, that chart has been moved into the sheet called Dashboard. I'm now going to go back to HR data. This time I'm going to select L6 to L8. Hold the control key and N6 to N8. I'll press F11, which basically gives me an immediate graph showing me the difference between management and non-management. I then want to go up to my ribbon and click the button Move Chart. I will make this chart an object inside of the sheet called Dashboard. As soon as I click OK, the chart has been moved inside the sheet called Dashboard, and I can drag it and easily position it where I'd like it to be. I'd like to create another chart. So I'm just going to go to HR data. I'm going to select M10 to N16. I'll press F11. That immediately gives me a geographical or regional graph. And then I want to, up in my ribbon, move that chart and make it an object inside of the sheet called Dashboard, and OK. And so now I have 3 sheets inside of this dashboard sheet. What we can do from there is then manipulate the look of them. So for example, I might click on this chart and I might decide I'd like to change the chart type. So I'll right click and I'll change chart type. I might go for a bar chart, and I may even go for a stacked bar chart, and perhaps this one here, and OK. And immediately I can see a stacked bar chart. I might then go up to my chart styles, and as I rest on them or click on them, I can see the different looks or styles. I might even go to Quick Layout and have a look at what's in offer in there. And I'm just resting on each one. I might go for layout number 6 because it says female, male, and how many. I'll click on the axis title and maybe delete that because it's not necessary. I might click on chart title and put gender. Gender profile. And I might click on this axis title and delete it. And I could even resize this chart. Really, I'm just wanting to give you ideas of what you can do with your charts. Now let's look over here at the management profile. So I'm going to click on its chart title and type Management Profile. I might change the chart type to perhaps a pie chart. So I'll right click, change chart type, and choose a pie. I might even go for a 3D pie. And OK. If I then go to my quick layouts, I can have a look at the various layouts. And I might go for layout 4. I'll then look at my different styles. And I might go for maybe just style 1. I don't need a legend, so I'll click on the legend and I'll press delete, and that gets rid of that. But I've lost my chart title. So I go back into the plus to add a chart element, and I tick chart title. I click on the chart title, and I give it the title again, Management Profile. And then I can move the chart and size the chart accordingly. I can even click on this slice here and pull it out a little bit, just so you can see the difference. I'm now going to click on this chart, and I might leave the chart type as it is, but I'll look at the different styles and different layouts. So I might go for layout number 5, and I might go for style number 7. I don't need the axis title, I can delete that. I can click on the chart title and I can type Regional Profile, and that's that one done. I could go to View and turn off the grid lines, and so that makes it nice and crisp, and basically I could ensure that this prints on a single page. If the data in the sheet HR data should change, then these charts will automatically update. But I just wanted to give you an idea of how you can insert a sheet, call it dashboard or report, and how you can put all your charts onto one sheet.